Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. Yes, it's your man Pixie with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about why I haven't been doing much uploading and where I shall be going next with my channel. So stick around for that. Roll the intro. Right then, guys, how are we all? It's your man Pixie, like I said, with another video. I do apologise for not uploading much over the past week or so. Basically, the weather's been absolutely pants. We've had tons of snow. It's been minus 1, 2, 3, 4 degrees Celsius, so it's not very good. Yeah, it's now windy as well, so no good for the drone again. Cold weather's not good for your equipment anyway, because the battery runs down like that. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I've not been going out. So yeah, it's not been great, but hopefully in the near future I'll be going out with the drone. I bought myself a new DJI Osmo Mobile 3. That is what this phone's attached to right now. It is my tripod basically. So yeah, I'll be using that as well as my drone, as well as my Canon 550D. I'm going to be selling my Mavic Air shortly, so I will be getting a Mini 2, hopefully. I said I was going to get a Mini 2 when I sold my Mini 1, but money went elsewhere. So yeah, that is what's going to be happening in the future, and then I'll be trying to do some city shots as well. With a drone. I can still do that with my Mavic Air, but not as close as to the buildings as I would have been able to if I had a Mini, but I can still do it. I've got my A2 CLC. I've now got that in a little card, you know, a little ID card, so everybody says you're illegal to fly in, I'll say yep, there you go, do one type of thing, but in a polite way. What we're going to be doing in the future, like I said, city shots, city videos, hopefully. Going out and about when restrictions are lifted. Hopefully we can do that in the near future. Yeah, probably going out to Peak District and other places as well when we're allowed to go on holidays as normal. The drones and all the camera equipment and everything will be coming with us, and I'll be trying to get you some decent footage through that. Then also, like I said in one of my live streams a few weeks back, I was going to renew my passport, get out to different countries when and if I can, in one day, like flying there, finding a spot, fly my drone, back again, hopefully. But that is way down the line when I can actually get out and about, when everything's calmed down, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm also going to ask if you still want me to do live streams. I'll be doing hopefully Friday and Saturday live streams, 9 o'clock PM UK start time. So if you want to join in me with that one, that'll be awesome. Then I'm also going to try and do some drone lives, hopefully with the Prism app, which is absolutely awesome. So basically, it just records your screen. So you know, when you look at your screen on your phone, you've got a little red record button. Well, you can't see it, but I've got a little red record button just there, and all the other things at the side here, which obviously you can't see. But when you're using the Prism app, you can see it. So you'll be seeing what I'll be seeing on the screen, and you can see what I do while I'm flying my drone. So if I want to take a picture, you will see that. If I want to take a video, you'll be seeing that as well, which is absolutely awesome. But that is only if I've got good signal on my drone. And also, like I said, I'm probably going to the Peak District and doing some videos like this. hopefully when and if we can, we'll get some more videos like that. That'll be absolutely awesome. Can't wait. I'm just fed up of being in house, but these things have got to be done. Still go out for a walk and everything, and taking pictures and whatnot, and flying the odd drone here, there and everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but you know what I mean. So now those are the things I'm going to be doing. Thank you for coming and visiting my channel. If you're new around here, you like what you saw, don't forget to smash that big red button, and also like and comment. Don't forget to share it with your friends and tell them that Pixie's been live. He's on about, or he's made a video, and he's on about going out and about again, hopefully. Yeah, so like I said, I've had a bit of a rest and I'm ready to go again. I was going to go out this morning, but it's not raining. Plus it's too windy for the drone anyway. The drone would probably handle it, but I don't like flying in windy conditions anyway, so just to be on the safe side. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, so bye for now. Bye.